I be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this.
Yeah, people, is a grizzly bear. Don't know beer vibes, beer fun, beer things. You know what I mean? They are rep for Beer Vibes TV, and that one hot. I say hot party, who bounce it out? Hot party, who bounce it out? Nah, man, Jamaica the hit strip. Jamaica the hot spot. Jamaica are the place to be. You know what I mean? If you want a vacation, if you want to plan a wedding, you know what I mean? If you want to plan something, you know what I mean? The place to be is Jamaica land we love. Cause right now, people, as you can see, Jay-Z and Beyonce that. You know what I mean? Jay-Z and Beyonce. R&B, hip-hop, rap world, king and queen. You not agree with me? If you look closely upon the picture, Trenchtown that, cause I know that gully there. Me know that gully there right there, so. You see me I say? And this is Trenchtown. And as you can see in the picture, accompanied by two yard man, Jay-Z and Beyonce. You see me I say? And alone Yeng Yeng. You know what I mean? When I check the thing trending. Back in the days, Yeng Yeng was old man bike. You know what I mean? When I look upon Yeng Yeng, you say, boy, them bike they can't go no faster, so no one of them bike there. But in this day and age, you them take the Yeng Yeng and alone wheelie and skating, so the trend hot. So figure more or less Jay-Z and his wife did have to ride out on one of them phenomenal bike, yeah. You know what I mean? I know say it must work up and set up and you know what I mean? And it's not just a vacation, you know. Them depend, so them there in a place and it's a video shoot them I deal with.
Yeah. What's that? What's that? Jay-Z get Yeng Yeng. Don't worry yourself, my boss. We're not gonna closer. We're good. Yo, Trigger. Oh, go on. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Sweetie.
Yo, love you, baby. Love you, baby. Yeah, man, no good, man. Don't worry yourself.
Good, yo, sweetie.
We're not violate.
Violate, man. It ain't good. I want you. Jungle is in our protect on energy.
Tell them, no, man.
Protect your killer. Yo, my boss, I protect on energy. Good enough.
Yeah, man, you're good, Jay.
Jigga, Jungle is the head of general. Come on, what do you?
Yo, you guys fretting too much, man. You're fretting, you're good, baby. Tell them good. We're not trouble nobody, yeah. We just want to sit up.
Jamaica nice people. The place I get hot, the place I get active. Some of the right around the corner. I'm gonna say beer things in store. Beer beach party, beer river party, beer pool party, beer celebrity I go flying, beer people I go touch in at the place. You know what I mean? The thing are just endless and just endless vibes. Beer vibes and just beer vibes and it just can't go done. I like that jacket there too. I like that little windbreaker there with Jay-Z. I like that little windbreaker there with Beyonce, Havana. And I like how them do it in a Trenchtown. No, a brand Jamaica people, I have to talk about this. You know what I mean? Look on the mag rims them. Whoa. You know what I mean? The warrior just look comfortable and alright. You know what I mean? Video shoot settings. You know what I mean? You have the production team on set. You know what I mean? The casting crew. You know, the whole thing just legitimate and just look nice and well put together. So people, yeah, it's a grizzly beer. Beer vibes, beer fun. Most people beer fox feet leave beer tracks. So we leave beer tracks on that one. Yeah. So, you know what I mean? Tell a friend about Beer Vibes TV. Subscribe, comment. Yeah, I'm going to start a forum someday. So I need the people to talk to me. Who don't like me, tell me. Who want to hear more from me, let me know what I go on. So tell me. You know what I mean? Talk to me. So, it's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Fox, Beer Vibes TV, and I'm out.
I be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this, be Vybz in this.